Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of modern website design. With the rapid pace of technology and ever-changing user expectations, websites are continuously evolving to deliver exceptional user experiences. From sleek aesthetics to cutting-edge functionalities, modern web design has revolutionized the way we interact with the digital world. In today's video, we'll uncover the key elements that define modern website design, the latest trends shaping the digital landscape, and the importance of creating websites that captivate and engage users across all devices. So if you're ready to embark on this design journey, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's dive into the dynamic world of modern website design. So let's talk a little bit about modern website design. Modern website design refers to the current approach of designing websites that incorporate the latest trends, technologies, and user expectations. It emphasizes creating visually appealing, user-friendly, and functional websites that deliver on exceptional user experience across various devices. Modern website design takes into account factors like responsiveness, intuitive navigation, fast loading times, and engaging content to ensure that the users stay longer on the site and achieve their goals easily. The importance of modern website design in today's digital landscape can't be overstated. Here are some reasons why it's crucial. First up, you have user experience. So a well-designed website enhances user experience by providing intuitive navigation, easy-to-read content, and visually appealing elements. Positive user experience lead to higher engagement, longer visit durations, and increased chances of conversions as well. With the proliferation of smartphones and tablets, more people access the internet on mobile devices. Modern website design ensures that websites are mobile-friendly, adapting to different screen sizes and resolutions, which is essential for attracting and retaining mobile users. Search engines favor websites that offer a good user experience. Modern design practices such as fast loading speeds and mobile responsiveness positively impact SEO rankings, leading to higher visibility in search results. A well-designed website reflects positively on a brand's image and credibility. Users are more likely to trust and engage with a professionally designed website, leading to potential business growth. In a competitive online environment, modern website design gives businesses a competitive edge. A visually appealing and user-friendly website can attract and retain visitors, converting them into loyal customers. Modern web design also considers accessibility standards, ensuring that websites are usable by people with disabilities. By being inclusive, websites reach a broader audience and create a positive brand image. Modern design elements such as clear call to action, streamlined checkout processes can also improve conversion rates and lead to higher sales revenue. And lastly, engagement and retention. So engaging design elements like micro interactions and interactive content encourage users to stay on the website for longer periods, reducing bounce rates and increasing repeat visits. So let's talk about how modern design has evolved over time. First up, you have different web standards and technologies. So the evolution of web standards and technologies has enabled more sophisticated and responsive design techniques. Libraries like HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript have allowed designers to create dynamic, interactive websites. The rise of mobile devices has driven the need for responsive design. Initially, separate mobile sites were common, but responsive design emerged as a more efficient and user-friendly approach. The focus has shifted slightly from a purely aesthetic approach to a user-centered design philosophy, and designers now prioritize understanding user behavior, preferences, and pain points to create websites tailored to their needs. Flat design, characterized by clean, minimalistic elements and material design, with its focus on realistic visual cues, have influenced modern website design aesthetics. And with users' attention spans decreasing and the need for faster loading times, performance optimization has become a critical aspect of modern design. Techniques like lazy loading and minification are employed to improve site speed. Designers now adopt a content-first approach, ensuring that the website design complements the content and enhances its readability. And micro-interactions such as hover effects and loading animations adds interactivity and delights users. Subtle animations are used to provide visual feedback and guide users through the website. And websites are integrating more AI-powered elements like chatbots, personalized content recommendations to enhance the user experience and provide tailored solutions. Overall, modern website design is a dynamic and continuously evolving field. It adapts to technological advancements, user behavior, and design trends to create websites that deliver the best possible user experience in today's digital landscape. So let's talk a little bit about responsive design and how it relates to modern website design. Responsive design is a fundamental concept in modern website design. It refers to the approach of designing and developing websites that automatically adjust and adapt their layout and content based on device and screen sizes on which they are viewed. The primary goal of responsive design is to ensure that the website look and function optimally across a wide range of devices, including desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and mobile phones. Some key aspects of responsive design and how they relate to modern website designs include flexibility. A responsive website is designed to be flexible and fluid, and elements like text, images, and other content components adjust and reposition themselves to fit the screen size, ensuring a seamless user experience. It also includes to be mobile friendly. Responsive design ensures that the website looks and functions well on smaller screens. And with responsive website design, users don't need to zoom in or scroll horizontally to access content on different devices. The layout automatically adjusts to the screen size, making it easier for users to navigate. It also allows for consistent user experience across all devices. And search engines, particularly Google, give preference to responsive websites in their search rankings. Google's mobile-first indexing means that mobile versions of a site is used for indexing and ranking, making responsive design crucial for SEO. And it's forward-thinking, so as new devices with various screen sizes and resolutions emerge, a responsive website will adapt without requiring extensive modifications or a complete redesign. Developing a single responsive website is more cost-effective than creating separate websites for desktop and mobile, and responsive design takes into account user behavior and context. And lastly, with a single URL for both desktop and mobile, users' social media sharing and link building become more straightforward. Responsive design is a critical aspect of modern website design as it enables websites to adapt to the diverse array of devices used by today's audiences. It not only improves the user experience, but also contributes to better search engine rankings, cost effectiveness, and future-proofing websites for upcoming technological advancements. By ensuring a seamless and consistent user experience across different devices, responsive design plays a central role in meeting the expectations of modern internet users. So now let's talk about accessible design. Accessible design, also known as inclusive design, refers to the practice of creating digital products, including websites, in a way that allows people with disabilities to perceive, navigate, and interact with the content effectively. Here's how accessible design relates to modern website design. First up is through inclusivity and diversity. So modern website design aims to be inclusive and cater to a diverse audience. So by incorporating accessible design principles, websites can accommodate people with various disabilities such as visual impairments, hearing impairments, motor disabilities, and cognitive impairments. Many countries have laws and regulations that mandate website accessibility, like the Americans with Disabilities Act in the United States. According to these guidelines, it's essential for businesses and organizations to avoid legal issues and ensure broader reach. Accessible design is not only about accommodating disabilities, but also about enhancing the overall user experience. SEO and search engines value accessible websites because they prioritize user experience. And designing with accessibility in mind helps future-proof websites. As technology evolves, accessibility features will continue to be essential. Adhering to accessibility guidelines can inspire creativity and innovation in modern website designs, and accessible design considers compatibility with assistive technologies as well, such as screen readers, voice recognition software, and alternative input devices. Emphasizing accessibility demonstrates a commitment to diversity and inclusivity, positively impacting a brand's image and reputation. And responsive design often goes hand in hand with accessibility, ensuring a website is responsive and benefits users with disabilities who may use various devices to access content. Overall, accessible design is an essential aspect of modern website design. By making websites accessible to all users, web designers can create more inclusive, user-friendly, and future-proof online experiences. Prioritizing accessibility not only aligns with ethical principles, but also opens up new opportunities for businesses and organizations to reach a broader audience and provide a positive user experience for everyone. So let's look at a really easy way to implement accessibility on your website. This is the Access widget by Accessiby, and Accessiby essentially is a software that you can install on your device on your website to help with accessibility. So let's look at our website using the Access widget. So this is the Dolce & Gabbana website, and you can see in the corner of the website here, the corner left at the bottom, there is that accessibility widget, and users can go to this widget and essentially update the website, the look of it, so that it suits their accessibility needs. So for example, if we scroll down, you can see that we have the ability to highlight titles, and you can see now on this website, the titles are all highlighted up in the middle here. We can also increase, for example, the font sizing. So we can increase it by a few percentages, and you can see that gets bigger as well as the text at the bottom as well. We can also do some color adjustments. So you can see there's a light contrast option, there's also a dark contrast option, and we can also adjust the text colors as well. So you can see the dark contrast turns everything to the dark contrast mode, and you can also see that the text colors as well we can highlight, and the title colors we can highlight in different options as well. So in terms of color adjustments, there's a lot of adjustments that we can make. We can also switch something into high contrast and low contrast, and that makes it a lot easier to kind of play around with the settings and also make it more visible, but in terms of the text and the buttons as well. The accessibility feature also offers this reading guide. So this is really useful for pages that have a lot of text. It essentially includes this blue bar that users can use to read the big paragraphs of text that can also happen on a website. It just makes it easier to follow along the page, and just makes it easier to follow along the words as well that are being written as well. And again, we have the options to change our cursor if we wanted to change the cursor to a slightly bigger, darker one, or a slightly bigger white one. And again, just makes it easier to navigate the page and know where the cursor is at all times as well. And you can see that the color settings that we've chosen will stay across the website as we navigate from page to page. So we still have the high contrast, we still have the cursor selection that we've already made as well. So the Access widget utilizes two applications that work together to remediate your website. The accessibility interface is responsible for the UI and design-related adjustments, while the AI-powered processes handles the complex requirements and optimization for screen readers and also keyboard navigations as well. The combined power of two applications works in tandem to improve your website's accessibility. The accessibility interface focuses on the UI and design-related enhancements, and through this interface, users can customize their browsing experience and adjust these elements such as font size, color contrast, and cursor size as well, just to suit their needs. And the second component is an AI-powered process that tackles more intricate accessibility requirements. It optimizes the website to ensure compatibility with screen readers and enhances keyboard navigation as well, enabling users to navigate and interact with the site efficiently using only their keyboards. By integrating these two applications, Access Widget offers a comprehensive solution that addresses various accessibility aspects, making your website more inclusive and user-friendly for all visitors, regardless of their abilities. AI integration is also related to modern website design. In modern website design, it involves incorporating artificial intelligence capabilities to enhance the user experience, provide personalized content, streamline various website functions. AI integration has become increasingly prevalent in recent years as advancements in AI technologies offers new opportunities to create more intelligent and user-centric websites. There are quite a few website builders out there that now incorporate AI as part of their website building process. And we'll go over some examples today and show how AI can be used in web design. Adobe Sensei is Adobe's AI framework that is integrated into various design tools, including Adobe XD and Adobe Experience Manager. It provides AI-powered features for automating repetitive tasks, generating design and recommendations, and enhancing the whole design process as well. Adobe Sensei offers a range of AI features and capabilities to enhance the web design process. Some key features include automated tasks. So Adobe Sensei automates repetitive and time-consuming tasks in the web design workflow, and it can intelligently analyze and tag images and generate alt text for accessibility and automate range image sizes for optimization as well. Sensei-powered tools like Adobe Photoshop have advanced object removal capabilities, and it can intelligently remove unwanted objects from images and seamlessly fill the background with suitable content. Adobe Sensei incorporates AI algorithms for font matching, and it can analyze and identify similar fonts to match a specific typeface or suggest alternatives based on a given design. Sensei also enables intelligent image search within Adobe Stock, allowing designers to find visually similar images based on a given image, and it saves time in this process and assists in finding suitable visuals for web design as well. Adobe Sensei's AI capabilities are continually evolving and being integrated into various Adobe products, providing designers with powerful tools to streamline their workflows and make data-driven decisions as well, and create visually stunning and user-friendly web designs. It's important to note that the specific features and functionality of Adobe Sensei may vary across Adobe applications, so you want to explore the documentation and resources provided by Adobe for each product, and that will give you a deeper understanding on how to leverage Sensei in your AI web design projects. Next up is Jimdo, and Jimdo is a really popular website builder that uses AI to generate websites quickly. It offers an AI-powered tool called Jimdo Dolphin, which creates websites based on information provided by the user. Jimdo Dolphin also provides the option for manual customization using a drag-and-drop editor. So to get started, what you want to do is go onto the Jimdo website, and we can click on the link in the bio as well if you're wanting to get started. And you want to sign up for an account. So you want to look for the Start Free button or Get Started button as well to create a new account. So signing up is free. You can either sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple, or just your email. So there are two options when you get started. Jimdo will ask you which way you want to create your website. You can either use one of the professional templates that they have that are also mobile responsive, or if you do have some background in some coding knowledge as well, then you can also use the editor as well. In today's example, we are going to use the website builder, but you want to choose the option that best suits your needs, basically. So similar to Wix, what Jimdo will do now is ask you questions about the type of website you want to create. That way, when you're first setting up, Jimdo will set up it with the features and offer you templates to match your needs as well. So it's really important that you answer these questions. You can skip the questions, but it just makes it cuts down a lot of time in terms of choosing a template and also some of the features as well. So you can decide who you're creating a website for. So if it's for yourself or for a team or a business with more than one person, it's up to you. And what's this website for? Is it for a hobby? Is it to promote a business? Things like that. In this example, we use my new business. And you want to just give it the name of your business as well. What Jimdo will try to do now is try and look on Google to see if there is a business in your name as well. So if it's not here, you can just continue with that, but you can also go through each of the options that they have and just collect that. The purpose of this is that if there's any information on there, like contact information, it'll already automatically bring that over to your site and save time on editing that yourself. And then it'll ask you what category your business is in, and it will be useful so that they can recommend the right tools and services for your business. And you want to say what the goals of your website are. You can choose up to 3, whether that's to showcase your work, announce an event, promote a physical business, get customers to contact me. Again, this is just to let Jimdo know exactly what features it should add in the beginning. And you can decide if you want to add your own photos from Facebook or Instagram. And you want to actually tell Jimdo what the theme of your website covers so that they can provide the images and text and structure to kind of match that. And now it's going to ask what your style is, and it's basically just so it knows what kind of look that you would like for your website, so they can design your website to match. And then it'll ask you what colors you like best. And you can choose up to 3 pages for what pages your website need. You can always add pages later on. You can also remove pages later on. It's just in the initial build, it'll add some pages for you. So now I'll give you the options of 2 templates, and what you want to do is just pick one that you want to start working on. Again, you can change all of the suggestions that are made here. It's just the sort of starting off point as well. You can also choose to skip this step as well. Next thing that it'll ask you is if you want to buy a domain if you don't already have one. So this will be needed a lot later whenever you first publish your site, but you can, if you plan on hosting your site on Jimdo as well, then it makes more sense to kind of buy the domain through Jimdo as well if you haven't got a domain yet. For now, we'll just use a free Jimdo subdomain, and then we'll add our domain later. And that's it. Jimdo is now going to start building your website, and we can start customizing it on later on. So as you can see from the beginning, the process is very similar to Wix, where Wix will also ask you step by step what kind of website you're creating. It's also the same for Squarespace and some of the other website builders we've seen. So it makes it kind of easier in the beginning because it'll give you a template that is close to what you want anyway. But then the good thing about all of them is that afterwards you can change things like the style, you can change the layout, you can change the pages it's used as well. But this is your website, and you can see this is what the website looks like on the editor. You have the front end, and then you've got the different sections here. It's laid out very similar to Squarespace, where you have the edit website, you got design, pages, domains separated here, and then to edit the actual website you can just click into each of the sections as well. So let's get started. The first thing that we might want to do when you first get this website is to change the actual color palettes and fonts that's being used. So what you want to do is go into the design section, and you can either edit the color palette, or you can edit the font set, or you can edit some of the animations being used with the buttons. If we click on edit color palette, you can see this is the color palette it's being using, and you can create a color palette from the image, or you can use existing color palettes that they've been given. I'm actually happy with the color palette used, but I'm going to change the font set as well. So if you click on edit font set, it'll give you some recommendations for font pairings basically. So you can look at each of them as a preview and see which one that you like. So for example, if we click on this one here, you can see this site changing with that font set. And you just want to go through each of them and just make sure that the one that you're picking fits your brand, fits your logo, and just fits all of your kind of the theme that you're overall wanting to convey. And then once you're finished, you can click on done. You can also change the font size to small, medium, or large. I think normal is a good size because it's not too small, not too big as well. I just want to click on done, and we've got the theme changed as well. The other thing that you might want to do is maybe change the pages. So if you remember, we added the contact my services and about me, and maybe you want to change the order. So we go into pages, and we can change the order of the pages being used as well. And then we can change the actual content as well. So this says about me. What we're going to do is we're going to just change my services to say FAQs. And then that changes in the header as well. And then if you wanted to remove some pages, you just click on the right hand side of the page and just click on delete. And then if you want to add new pages, you want to click on add new page, and then you can add different types of pages. You can also add a blank page, or you can just add a page that they suggested as well. It's really important to note that the free plan initially with Jimdo allows you to have up to 5 pages, so you can't have any more than that. in order to have more pages, you need to upgrade. But we can talk a little bit more about the pricing plans as well. They also have system pages. So these are essentially the legal pages like privacy policy, cookie settings, and cookie banner. And what's really cool about Jimdo is that they have a legal text generator. So if you don't have a privacy policy already in place, I'm struggling to write one, Jimdo will do that for you through one of their updated plans. And once you're done with that, you just want to click on done. And now you can go into settings. And if you wanted to change the website language, you can just change it here as well. And then we can go back to edit website. So once you have the theme of your website set up and you have the pages set up, the only thing left to do now is to actually just change the website content. So the first thing that you might want to do is, you see this heading here, you might want to change the design of this. Essentially they call it block. It's this section here. And if you click on the section and then you click on edit block, you can see that you have different layouts for the navigation. It's using this one for now, but maybe you might want to do this one where it has the logo on the left and text on the right as well. And you can decide what background color you want to give it. Or if you want it to be a transparent navigation as well. And this will make the navigation just stick to the screen as well. You can also add a favicon. Again, it's a premium feature, but you can add your logo essentially up here. And then you just want to go through the page, each of the sections, and just make sure that it looks exactly how you want it. So right now we have the slider. If I wanted to change, for example, the text here, I can just click into the text and then just type directly what text I want to change. I can click into the next slide and then again do the same thing as well. And it's up to me if I want to keep both the slides or not. So if I only want to keep those two slides, and you can see it's really easy to change as well. What's also really cool is each of them basically I can add a block. So if I click on this section here, I can click on block design and you can see it'll change the design of the block. When they say block, they're really referring to the section that's referred to in like Wix or Squarespace, but essentially you can change the layout of each of the sections that are here. And you can change the overall color layout as well. So this is black. I want to change it to maybe this cream color, and just make it a little bit easier on the eyes to see as well. I just want to click done. And then you have some sections here. If you wanted to add a new section, you just want to click on add block beneath the section that you want to add it to. And you can add different sections that have already been pre-designed for you. So there's cover sections, there's about sections, there's text sections as well, if you just want to add simple text, but there's different text layouts, image sections, just a lot of sections basically that you can add more content to. So we have this about section here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this photo gallery. And I'm going to add a contact section. So if I click on add block, I'm going to look for contact. And you can see there's a simple contact section here. I might change the color of it. Maybe to this purple. So I'll click on add this block. So you can see I've got a contact form with the name, with the form sections here. And I can change things like the title and things like that as well. If I want to change something on another page, what I'm going to do is click into the page and I'm going to click into the different pages as well. So if I click on About Me, for example, so you can see this is the About Me page. I'm going to click on Add Block. I'm going to see if there's anything else that I like the look of, something like this maybe, or something like this, where it has some of the images a bit more focused in the middle, and a bit more text as well. So I'm going to take this block and I'm going to make sure it's selected and just click on delete and just bring this up a little bit. Next thing I can change is the footer design, and there's about 3 designs that you can choose, but you can also change the color for all of them as well. And you just want to pick something that kind of works with your theme as well. So I'm going to match it to the header. And then if we go to the contact page again, so we have the contact section here, and we can decide if we want to add blocks, remove blocks, change sections, and things like that. If you wanted to update an image, for example, so for example this image here, what I'm going to do is click into the image, and I'm going to click on choose image in the image toolbar, and you can decide if you want to use an image. So these are saved images from the theme, but you can also decide if you want to use one of the free high resolution photos, and these are photos basically from Unsplash that are free to use. They don't need to be credited or anything. You can just use them for your website here, or you can use new images either from Facebook, Instagram, or from this device. So it'll allow you to upload photos directly from your computer into the website as well. So it's up to you how you want to do that. And then once you select the image, you just want to click on the image and click on insert. And that's it as well. Once you're done, what you can do is click on publish to start publishing your site. What you want to do before that though is you want to go onto the search engines as well. And this will basically turn on the SEO settings again. So this is something that you will need to upgrade for, but Jimdo does offer the built-in SEO settings similar to how Wix does to help optimize your website for better SEO. They have the key aspects of their SEO settings are page titles and descriptions. So you can customize the page titles and descriptions for each of your websites. The URL structure as well can be customizable. They have options to set header tags, image optimization as well, mobile optimization, sitemap, social media integration as well. So Jimdo does provide these SEO settings, but it's also really essential to focus on creating high quality content, using relevant keywords naturally, and providing a great user experience. These factors, in addition to proper SEO settings, can contribute to better search SEO rankings and can increase organic traffic to your Jimdo website. But once you're happy with everything and the site is at a place where you're happy to publish it, what you want to do is click on publish. And you have two options. So we started off with the free subdomain. So this is our subdomain here, healthyminds.jimdosite.com. So the website is live under this domain, but in order to provide good user experience and SEO as well, you want to make sure that you're using a custom domain. We have more videos about custom domain names in our YouTube channel as well. But basically, Jimdo do give you the option to buy a domain through them if you don't already have one. Jimdo also offer hosting services as well as part of its website builder platform. So when you create a website with Jimdo, your site is hosted on their servers, which means they store your website files. So it's up to you if you want to either get your domain with Jimdo if you don't already have one, or if you do have one, then you can always point it towards your Jimdo domain. But essentially what you want to do is just look for a domain that you like the look of, and then just buy it through Jimdo. And these are some of the Jimdo plans. So it's split between website and online stores. So if you do have an online store set up on your Jimdo website, you need to use one of the online store plans, which start a little bit more expensive than the website plans. But if you have a basic portfolio website, blog website, then you want to just stick to the website plans. So it starts at as little as £9 a month and goes all up to £39 a month. But there's basically different pricing plans to cater for various needs and budgets. So there is the free version that allows you to create a basic website for free, but it does come with a lot of limitations, as we've seen. Mainly the Jimdo subdomain, the branding that's being displayed on your website, but also the limitations on how many pages that you can have. So there are some storage limitations. The Jimdo Start plan is one of the cheapest plans, and it's the entry-level paid plan, and it offers additional features, removes the limitations of the free plan, and also includes a domain as well for the first year, and more storage space, and the ability to connect a custom domain. So it's a good option for personal websites and small projects, and also it's really good that if you don't have a domain, because you can get a domain free for 1 year if you were to buy it through Jimdo as well. The next one then is the Grow plan, and this has everything the Start plan has, but then also activates the SEO settings that you have, and you can also have viewer statistics and personalized support within 4 hours as well. The Grow Legal plan is suitable for growing businesses and offers more advanced features. It includes all the features of the Start plan and the Grow plan, along with the customized legalized text that we talked about for the privacy policy pages, and any updates about legal changes as well. And then you have the Unlimited, and this basically has everything that the other plans have, including unlimited storage. They also have professional design analysis, and you also get premium support within 1 hour as well. It's great towards businesses and organizations that require a lot more resources and advanced features. It includes all the features of the Grow plan, but with unlimited storage, additional e-commerce features, and email marketing capabilities, as well as the enhanced SEO options. It's worth noting though that Jimdo does occasionally offer discounts and promotions, so it's a good idea to check the website for any current deals. But additionally, Jimdo also offers the e-commerce specific plans, and these plans are designed for online stores and provide advanced e-commerce features such as inventory management, order tracking, flexible payment options, and a lot more. So now let's talk about some of the benefits of using AI for web design. The main one being time and cost savings. So AI-powered tools automate various tasks in the web design process, and that reduces the time and effort that's required during the web design stage. Designers can leverage AI algorithms to generate design layouts, suggest color schemes, and automate repetitive tasks like resizing images or adding alt text. This streamlines the design workflow and allows designers to focus on more creative aspects, saving both time and cost. AI can also assist designers in generating design ideas and providing intelligent recommendations. It analyzes user preference, design trends, and data to suggest layout options, as well as typography choices and color palettes. This can accelerate the design process, making it more efficient and enabling designers to create visually and appealing websites for users, and just making it more efficient as well. AI algorithms can analyze user data and behavior to create personalized experiences on websites. By understanding user preferences, AI can dynamically adjust content and also recommend products or services, and also optimize user interfaces to enhance user experience. This leads to more engaging and relevant interactions, ultimately improving user satisfaction and conversion rates. AI-powered analytics tools can provide designers with valuable insights about user behavior, interactions, and preferences. Designers can analyze this data to make informed decisions and optimize websites for better performance. AI algorithms can perform A/B testing and analyze user feedback to improve design elements and optimize conversions. AI can automatically adapt website layouts, images, and content to ensure responsiveness across different devices and screen sizes. This ensures that the website displays correctly and provides a consistent user experience regardless of the device being used. AI algorithms can identify the best layout and content adjustments for each screen size, saving designers the effort of manually optimizing designs for different devices. AI can automate repetitive and mundane tasks in web design, like resizing images, optimizing code, and this frees up designers' time, allowing them to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of the design process. There's also improved collaborations, as a lot of AI design tools have collaboration features that enable designers to work together more efficiently. They can collaborate in real time, share designs, and provide feedback, facilitating smoother collaboration among team members. While there are numerous benefits to using AI for web design, it's important to consider some potential drawbacks as well, and here are just a few. First one being lack of creativity and originality. AI algorithms, despite the capabilities, may still struggle to match the creativity and originality of human designers. AI-generated design may lack the unique artistic vision and innovative ideas that humans bring to the table. AI algorithms may also struggle to fully understand the context and the intent for some of design requirements as well. They may not grasp the subtle nuances and cultural references that human designers can incorporate into their work. AI-powered web design tools often rely on predefined templates and patterns, and while these templates provide a starting point, they may result in websites that look generic or similar to other websites that use the same templates. This can hinder brand differentiation and originality. AI may struggle with complex design challenges that require subjective decision making, context-sensitive adjustments, or a deep understanding of user behavior. Human designs excel in tackling these complexities, leveraging their expertise and intuition to create effective design solutions as well. AI algorithms can inadvertently inherit biases from the data they are trained on, and this can result in unintended biases in design recommendations or content generation. It's crucial to be mindful of these biases and carefully review and correct any potential ethical issues. Training AI algorithms to be effective in web design requires substantial amounts of data and computational resources. This initial training and ongoing updates to algorithms may demand significant investment and technical expertise. While AI tools can automate certain tasks, they may limit the level of human interaction and collaboration that is inherent in the design process. The iterative feedback loop and collaboration among designers may be impacted when relying heavily on AI-generated designs as well. It's important to strike a balance between utilizing AI-powered tools and leveraging human creativity, expertise, and critical thinking in web design. AI should be seen as a supportive tool rather than complete replacement for human designers, allowing them to focus on high-level creativity, strategy, and the ability to deliver unique and tailor-designed experiences as well. And that wraps up our exploration of modern website design. I hope you enjoyed discovering the latest trends and insights that fuel the evolution of online experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow digital enthusiasts. And if you are interested in knowing more about design inspiration and tech updates, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Thanks, and see you in the next one.